Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make a frog out of your trammel. So you have a used trammel, you don't know what to do with it. Well, you can make something fun. And we'll make trammel frogs. So start by folding your trammel over itself once. Crease here. And fold it once over again. Careful not to work it too much with your hands, otherwise the paper is going to become too soft. Okay? Now we have a paper that's about this size, but roughly business card sized if possible. Okay, step one, upper right hand corner, fold it down like this, and crease. Okay. Now, same thing on the other side. So that you have an X across your page, like this. Unfold. So now, on this side, with the point, fold it back such that these align with each other. So I'm folding it directly across that midpoint. Unfold, and then press in the middle. Oops, I didn't quite hit the middle. Okay, try that again. Make sure you get the exact halfway point. Then, accordion fold. So you're gonna wanna take these inside corners, push them down, and flatten, so that you have a point right in the front. All right, now we're gonna create the front legs of our frog. All we have to do is bring these out, and it can be kind of difficult to fold these just because it's a very overlapping trammel. So here's the front of our frog. Now we just have to get the back. So let's take these outside, sort of like the wings, and fold them into the center. Fold it over the bottom. And this can become very difficult to fold. And then fold it back as much as you can to give it some nice back legs. Then you've got a nice little jumping trammel frog.